Hello everyone, welcome to another test here on our channel. Take a look at what I found. Oh, yeah, I found. It's a device that promises to transform your screwdriver or drill into a jigsaw. Check it out. Well, and it seems to work. So guys, I bought it. I brought it here to the channel, and I'm going to test it for you. Oh, let's go test it. Let's see if it works. So as usual, guys, let's open the package here to see what this device is like. And it promises to transform maybe your drill or screwdriver, right, into a jigsaw. It even comes very well packaged, guys. Look, it comes here in bubble wrap. Very well packaged, Let's open the box here to see what this device is like. Where's the human part? Do you see it? Look, interesting. There's even a label here. With a little string, maybe a little elastic band. There's a little flash on it. I'll show you in more detail. This one here is the device. And here, another saw set. Two saw sets. So that's basically it, guys. There are two saw sets. Let me open this one here. Yeah, this saw, set to C. This one here is probably for iron. You see, guys, apparently it's for cutting face. This one is for cutting iron. This one here is already for wood. This one here, I think, is for iron. This one is for wood. This one here is also for wood. There are two for iron. The two here for iron. And the rest for wood. Then there is this other little package here too. And there's another little set here. Look. Look, guys. It's also for wood. This one is also for wood. This one is for iron. This one is for iron. And this one for wood. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So in this kit that I bought, it comes with 9. But on the website, guys, there's a tool like this one. It's a big way. That doesn't come with that amount of salt. You're going to buy it. Pay attention to that, okay? There are some that only come with the kit with 3 saws or sometimes even 2 saws. Now, guys, I'm going to assemble it on the screwdriver and also on the drill to see its performance. So, guys, I'm already here with the screwdriver. I'm going to assemble it on the screwdriver first. I'm going to do the test, and then I'm going to do the test with the drill too. Because the drill has a higher speed than of the drill, so we're going to test it with both. Here, guys, look at the device. Here it works like this. We're going to connect it to the chuck of the screwdriver or drill. And it's going to work like this. Look, then, as it turns here, it's going to make this back and forth movement, which is the jigsaw movement. And it's going to cut the wood then, okay? Okay? So, I'm going to assemble it here, and I'll come back to test it with cutting the wood to see if it really works. Well, so guys, I'm already here with the screwdriver, with the device connected here. And I'm going to use this blade here, which is a bigger blade. And to install the blade here, just pull this little butterfly here, see? And we pull it here, look and fit. The blade here, it fit, it came loose. Ready, it's fitted. And then just install here now the here is the support handle. This is here the support handle. And use it. Oh, I have here, guys, look, a little piece of a pine strip, okay? The stuff will do. So I'm going to start by testing this pine wood, which is soft. And I'm going to test it with the slightly harder woods, okay? So let's go. Let's start with this one. Caption Adriana General. The clamp came loose here. Let me attach it here. Come on, now let's go. Guys, with the screwdriver, it looks like it's hard to cut, you know? It's not cutting easily. I'm going to try it a little more here. Oh, so something happened here. Oh, something happened here. Oops, there was a problem here. Something happened here. Look, guys, the first test I did, something happened to the device here. It even broke. The grip here, by the way, look, the grip is very weak, okay? It's a very weak plastic. So, it kind of got stuck. I'm going to try to work it here slowly, just so you can see what's happening. Look, I'm going to tighten it now. It got stuck, see? I don't know what happened. It got stuck. It got stuck. It got stuck. Something happened inside here. I'm going to try to get it out of here. I'm going to take it out there. And try to put the blade back in here to see if anything happens, right? Yeah, doesn't want to go back in, guys. I'll try one more here, let's see. Yeah, it's freezing, look. Look. Something must have broken inside it. Oh, come on. Come on. It almost hurt my hand here. Yeah. There's already been a problem here. It doesn't want to work. I'm going to take it apart with this and see what happened. Something happened inside here, guys. Locking the video. I'm going to take it apart and see what happened. Yay. Look, guys, I took everything apart here, look. And I'm going to zoom in here to show you better what happened. But it looks like everything here has already broken. Hey guys, I'm going to show you up close here, look. Here's a piece of what broke. Inside here is another piece, look. Look. Full of pieces here, broken here. Look. It broke here. 3 pieces broke here. Here's one. Not counting the grip. So, inside the device. It's even interesting that it has bearings. It has 2 bearings, 1 on each side. But this piece here, look, I don't know if you can see it there, but it's curved. It has a curvature. That probably makes this movement as it rotates. Yeah, in the middle of these two. Oh, these two bearings here look like a bearing, but I don't think they're a bearing. No. It's just a pin and axle with a screw in the middle. So it probably works like this. Well, the screwdriver rotates, then it makes this movement here. And it keeps doing this. Okay, so what happened? It broke. It simply broke. This butterfly here, it looks like a butterfly. It's curved. It makes a curve like this. It simply broke into several pieces. So there you go, guys. It didn't work, okay? Okay. Unfortunately, it didn't work. So there you go, guys. Look, unfortunately, look, all around, okay. Our device that ornate, something good. Drill screwdriver in Jigsaw. All around there. Unfortunately, it didn't work. So there it is. Guys, don't buy it, okay? Unfortunately, the end result is this. Tested and failed. Oh, me. So there you have it, guys. If you like this test, although it was quick, it didn't even give you time to cut the wood. It didn't even give you time to see if it actually cuts. But the only thing I gained from this story was that it came with several saw blades, right? No, here. It came with several saw blades, so I can use it in another tool that I believe the fit should be the same. So there, you have it, guys. Tested and failed. Thanks. Leave your thumbs up, leave your like to help our channel. Thanks, guys. Until the next session works.